Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable to display the country flag on the ShipXplorer application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the three dot at the lower right corner of the screen and go to the third option, the map options. At the left side on the screen you can find the vessel labels section and go to the sixth option, the country flag, and if you want to enable, just click to the next white circle and now the country flag is displayed. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.